Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that will elevate your live streaming and video production experience, the FoMaKo KC800 Multi-Camera Video Switcher and PTZ Camera Controller Console Bundle. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the FoMaKo KC800? This is a comprehensive video switcher designed for both professionals and enthusiasts alike, perfect for live streaming events like church services, gaming sessions, or even corporate presentations. It combines the functionality of a video switcher and a camera controller, allowing you to manage multiple camera feeds seamlessly. One of the standout features of the KC800 is its RGB 24-bit true color technology. It streams and records in true 24-bit RGB color, offering you over 16.7 million hues for cinema-grade accuracy. This means your video content will have vibrant, distortion-free visuals, even when dealing with HDR content. The HDMI 4K RGB output ensures that you're getting the best quality possible, whether you're live streaming or capturing footage for later use. The KC800 also provides extensive connectivity options. With 4 4K HDMI inputs, it allows you to connect multiple cameras, and features 3 HDMI outputs for various uses including loop-through, MVR, and PGM outputs. Additionally, it has robust audio input options, with 2 XLR inputs, 2 mic/line inputs, and a line-out, ensuring that your audio quality matches your video quality. One of the most impressive aspects is its multi-platform live streaming capability. You can simultaneously stream to 3 platforms, along with 1 UVC feed. It's compatible with popular services like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. The ability to customize the bitrate from 2 to 12 megabits per second with adaptive reduction for unstable networks gives you peace of mind that your stream will remain reliable, no matter your internet conditions. For those who prefer a PC-free workflow, the KC800 excels here as well. You can record directly to a USB disk or SD card in MP4 or TS format without the need for a computer, streamlining your process significantly.